Hey queens, welcome back. It's your girl Nini. Of course, today I'm giving you guys another bomb wig review, but I'm so excited because this is some human hair. So this is a sponsored video. This is by Ywigs. Thank you, Ywigs, so much for sending us out some human hair so I can show my queens exactly what you have to offer. So guys, before we get started, make sure you all subscribe. If you have not already joined this amazing family, we would love to add you as another valuable addition. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox the unit. The unit that we have today is entitled YW01, and this is a short ombre color bob, and it is in the style body wave. It does come with a wig cap when you purchase, some details, and you'll also get a extra wig strap as well as 2 combs. So there are some baby hairs that are included. The knots are not bleached on this unit, and it is 150% density. The cap size is average. I'll tell you a little bit more about that at the end of the video. Make sure you wait until the end and watch till the end. Sorry, y'all, I can't talk today because at the end of the video, I'm going to give you basically all the tea. So make sure you watch to the end. And the color of the lace is actually going to be a medium brown. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox the unit and show you guys what it is looking like. The lace was soft on this unit. As you can see, it starts off with some dark roots and flows into the brown color. That is why it's an ombre. I'm also going to show you guys exactly how I installed it and how this unit takes heat. So right off the bat, I did notice that the hair was very soft, and the density I think is true to the percentage given. It felt pretty full, and it was not super thin to where I feel like you'll be able to see the cap or anything like that. So the parting space was also nice on this unit. You definitely could pluck it if you like, the hairline as well as the parting space, but it was at a good pace where I liked it, so I decided not to pluck mine. I will definitely do some tweaking to it later on in the video, which you guys will see as you continue to watch, but for the most part, it's pretty good. Now, this is the cap. There are 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. This unit does have adjustable straps as well, and this is what the unit looks like overall. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and try the unit on, and from there I'm going to customize it and come back at the end of the video and tell you guys all my pros and cons, whether you should buy it or not. So make sure you guys watch until the end. queens, let's go ahead and discuss this unit. So once again, this unit is from Ywigs. Just want to say thank you guys so much for sending me out this unit so I can show my queens everything that you guys have to offer. Now this unit is entitled YWO1 and it is available on their website. I will put the link in the description, but just to give you a little bit of my pros and cons for this unit that I'm wearing. Now this is a human hair lace front unit. I know you guys are so used to me doing a lot of synthetic wigs, but sometimes we gotta step up our game, girl. You know, we stepping up in this world and we are wearing human today. Now this is a ombre bob wig. As you can see, it does ombre in the roots, which I showed you, and it was a lace front wig. You guys saw all the construction at the beginning of the video. Now what I did was just test the wig with some heat to make sure that it was going to be curling and safe for you guys, and it was. I did use my hot comb and my curl wand and created these curls in the front just to show you guys an example. Now you guys know I'm not really big on adhering wigs down because I'm just a throw on and go type of girl, and sometimes I do stray away from human hair units because sometimes they can be hard to throw on and go. But what I will say about this unit from Ywigs is that I do not have any glue adhering this down and it still is looking like scalp. So that is a really great thing to have when you purchase a human hair wig if you're like me. So I don't have anything adhered down, and the parting space and the lace is blending very well. Now you guys saw the little tips and tricks that I did in the beginning of the video where I did add foundation to the cap and the lace area, but aside from that, I did not pluck this wig. I did not pluck the hairline or the parting space, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's blending really easily, which is amazing. So that's one thing that I really did love about this unit. Now I didn't get a lot of shedding either or tangling, which is also a great thing. One of my cons is though that this unit is not exactly big head friendly. Now you guys know I am big head gang and I have a large head, okay? I know a lot of you guys do too. But as far as this unit, where the ear tabs stop is not exactly where I'd like them to. They stop right about here, but my hairline doesn't stop until down here. So I would really have to pull and tug to get this to adhere where it's supposed to stay at, and the cap size I would say is a little bit smaller for me. Now for those of you that have that average to small head, you should be perfectly fine, and for those of you with the bigger heads, it does come with combs which you can use to help keep this unit down. It's just, for me, the circumference, I wish it was a little bit longer and it would be absolutely perfect. But aside from that, I don't have any other cons, you guys. The unit came with a wig cap, an extra wig strap, as well as combs, and it did come with some instructions. So when you guys purchase from Ywigs, you will get all of that included. And of course, you guys saw the box was so cute that it came in, and you can use it to store your wig for later. So guys, let me know what you think about Ywigs and their ombre bob, which I am wearing right now. Thank you again, Ywigs, for sending me this unit, and make sure that you guys subscribe and click the link in the description and check them out before you leave. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.